You've heard of Greenwich Avenue. Maybe someone called it fancy, exclusive, the Rodeo Drive of the East Coast. And sure, you'll see designer storefronts and polished windows. But here's what most people get wrong. Greenwich Avenue isn't a shopping mall outside. It's a destination. Come take a walk. We're starting at the top of the avenue, near the Post Road, about a 10-minute walk from Stanton House Inn, and we'll follow the gentle slope all the way down toward the harbor and the Long Island Sound. First, the architecture. Long before luxury brands moved in, this was a muddy cowpath. Over time, it became the spine of downtown Greenwich. Brick and stone buildings from the late 1800s and the early 1900s still shape the street today. Look up. You'll see arched windows, detailed cornices, facades that shift from block to block. It feels layered, not master planned. That's why comparisons to Rodeo Drive or Fifth Avenue never quite land. This is New York City energy, wrapped in New England restraint. Next, the dining. Yes, there's serious shopping, but the avenue rewards you when you slow down. Grab a coffee, sit outside, duck into a side street. Choose one restaurant and stay longer than you meant to. Whether it's a waterfront table, a cozy bistro, or a casual cafe, lunch here isn't just refueling, it's part of the rhythm. And then there's the vibe. You'll see high-end cars at the lights. You'll also see golden retrievers pulling their owners across crosswalks, parents with strollers, couples in jeans, locals running errands. It looks luxurious. It feels like a neighborhood. The biggest headache of visiting? Parking. On busy weekends, you can spend more time circling for a spot than actually enjoying the avenue. That's why staying overnight changes everything. When you stay at Stanton House Inn, you leave your car here. You walk in. You stroll downhill. You end at the harbor. You're not watching the clock. You see the avenue in the evening glow, and again in the quiet morning before the shops open. It becomes a getaway, not a day trip. If you're planning a visit, download our Greenwich Avenue Guide. It includes a map of the best public parking lots, if you aren't staying with us, our favorite hidden patios for lunch, and a walking tour of the historic buildings. Links in the description. Or skip the parking headache entirely. Stay with us at Stanton House Inn. Leave your car here and take the easy 10-minute walk to the top of the avenue.